Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this stuffed mushroom with mince beef and cheese. These stuffed portobello mushrooms are stuffed with beef and cheese, making for a great appetizer that's perfect for all occasions. A great and a delicious way for stuffing big mushrooms, simple to make and always a crowd favorite. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 4 large portobello mushroom and make sure they are nice and large enough. Then remove the stem and the gill as shown. Make sure to keep it for the later use in the recipe. And finally chop the stem and the gills to use it later when making the beef mince. Do the same with all the other mushrooms. Make sure it is something like this and then do the same for all the other mushrooms. Then to make the beef mince, in a hot pan add 2 tablespoons oil, add 4 chopped garlic cloves and fry this for about a minute. Then add 1 chopped onion and fry this until it is nice and soft. Then add 500 grams of mince beef and fry this for about 7 to 8 minutes. Something like this. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 boiled and crushed potatoes and fry this for about 2 minutes. Make sure the potato is nicely combined with the meat. Then add 2 tablespoons tomato puree. Add 1 teaspoon beef stock powder, 1 teaspoon Italian herb seasoning, and the chopped stem and the gill of the mushrooms. Fry this for about 2 minutes. There you go, the mince is ready now. Make sure the mince is nice and cool down before you add it on the mushrooms. Then simply place the mushroom onto the baking tray along with the baking paper at the bottom and fill the mushrooms with beef mince. And make sure you gently press the meat, something like this, with the help of the spoon. And then add some grated cheese on top. You can use cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese or the mixture of both. Also be very generous with the cheese. Cheese goes really well on the mushrooms. Then bake this at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. There you go, the mushrooms are ready now. It is perfectly cooked. Make sure the cheese has nice and brown color, something like this, and then simply serve it onto the serving plate. This recipe is super simple and super delicious, guys. Do try this at home. I hope you will like this recipe, and if you really like the recipe, do comment and let me know in the comments. Add some dried parsley on the top as a garnish and simply serve it hot. I hope you like this recipe, guys, and if you like the recipe then please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing and delicious recipes. And also I have so many other recipes on my channel, please do have a look. And I hope you will try this recipe at home. It is really delicious recipe, and let me show you how it is from inside. There you go, the mushrooms are perfectly cooked and even the cheese and the meat is perfectly cooked. And thanks for watching my recipe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.